Let's talk today about foundation as per skin type. Choosing the right foundation is crucial for achieving a flawless base, but with so many options out there, it can be tough to know where to start. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today, I'm going to help you navigate the sometimes confusing world of foundations. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of choosing the perfect foundation for your skin type, so let's get into it. Before we dive into the foundation formulas, it's essential to understand your skin type. Knowing whether your skin is oily, dry, combination, sensitive, or normal will determine the kind of foundation that will work best for you. If you're not sure, here are some quick tips. Oily skin, you might notice shine throughout the day, especially on your T-zone. Dry skin, your skin might feel tight, flaky, or dehydrated. Combination skin, you have an oily T-zone but dry or normal areas elsewhere. Sensitive skin, your skin reacts easily to products, becoming red or irritated. Normal skin, your skin isn't too oily or too dry, and you don't have major skin concerns. For oily skin, you want to look for foundations that help control shine and stay put throughout the day. A matte or oil-free foundation is your best bet. These foundations typically have a powdery finish that helps absorb excess oil and reduce the appearance of pores. I recommend a long-wear liquid foundation or a powder foundation that offers buildable coverage without feeling heavy. If you have dry skin, hydration is key. Look for foundations with a dewy or satin finish that add moisture and give your skin a healthy glow. Foundations with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin can help keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Avoid matte formulas, as they can make dry skin appear even drier. A liquid foundation or a hydrating cream foundation would work well for you. For combination skin, finding a foundation that balances both oily and dry areas can be tricky. You might want to try a satin finish foundation, which offers a balance between matte and dewy. Alternatively, you can use different foundations on different areas of your face, a matte formula on your T-zone and a more hydrating one on the drier parts. A lightweight, buildable foundation is often the best choice. If you have sensitive skin, the key is to look for foundations that are hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and formulated for sensitive skin. Mineral foundations are a great option as they're typically free from irritating ingredients and offer a natural finish. Always patch test a new foundation to make sure it doesn't cause a reaction. For those of you with normal skin, you have the flexibility to choose from a wide range of foundations. You can go for a matte, dewy, or satin finish, depending on your preference. A medium coverage liquid foundation with a natural finish is often a great choice for everyday wear. Just make sure it complements your skin's undertone. Now let's talk about tips for choosing the right shade. Once you've found the right formula for your skin type, it's time to choose the perfect shade. Always test foundation on your jawline, not your hand, to find the closest match to your natural skin tone. Make sure to check the shade in natural lighting, and if possible, let it sit on your skin for a few minutes to see how it oxidizes. Don't forget to consider your undertone, cool, warm, or neutral, when selecting your shade. If you have sensitive skin, the key is to look for foundations that are hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and formulated for sensitive skin. Mineral foundations are a great option as they're typically free from irritating ingredients and offer a natural finish. Always patch test a new foundation to make sure it doesn't cause a reaction. For those of you with normal skin, you have the flexibility to choose from a wide range of foundations. You can go for a matte, dewy, or satin finish, depending on your preference. A medium coverage liquid foundation with a natural finish is often a great choice for everyday wear. Just make sure it complements your skin's undertone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect foundation for your skin type. Remember, the right foundation should enhance your natural beauty and feel comfortable on your skin. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite foundation, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.